Door of Osteria. Come in here. You'll walk to the back right corner. You'll set up probably right here in this booth. Last booth to the right. Once you get your mixer set up, your power is over here in the office right there. So you want to drag this underneath there against here as close as you can so nobody will trip over it. Right? Get it totally out of the way as much as you can. Tape it down. Then, so this is their amp is right here. Their music is here. This is the connection that leads into their amp. This is the connection that is their music, Osteria music. Okay, so unplug the Pandora, Osteria Pandora, from Osteria music. Unplug it. Then here's what you do. You take the wire that says, it's super simple, attach to Pandora Trivia music. Well, Pandora is right here, right? So you just attach it, just like that, right? Pandora, Osteria Pandora, attach Pandora Trivia music. Okay. The other end of that wire, that trivia wire, you're going to take it here and run into channel 1 of your mixer. Run it into channel 1. Then, where it says Osteria amp, right? Well, you got another wire that says attach to yellow to main out trivia. Well, it should say Osteria amp. Anyway, attach this to the amp. Osteria amp to main out. Yellow, right? It says yellow there. That's yellow. Makes sense, right? So then, once you've done that, get the other end of the wire and plug it into the main out of your mixer. Like this. Okay? Now, as far as your levels, here's what you're going to need to do. Make sure that your main volume is up a good fucking bit. Okay? Right about there. This volume right here, I don't know if you can see it, that's turned up all the way. You want to turn it back to right about there, to almost straight up and down. Make sure that that gain control is almost straight up and down. This volume control here should be low. The reason is because their music is going to be blasting. Then just be sure to give yourself a lot of, this is turned up almost all the way. That right there is turned up almost all the way. That right there is right about there. Okay, so you need to give your voice a lot of volume, and their music not so much, because their music is going to be loud. Then just put everything back when you're done. Okay, so Osteria amp, unplug it, plug it back into Osteria Pandora, plug it back in. That's it. Super simple. Last thing, before you do all those changes, channel 4 is your music, is your input, right? That's your trivia volume, input 4. Turn it all the way down before you start messing with all the wires down there. The reason is, if you don't, there'll be a bunch of pops. Okay? So the first thing you do, come in here, turn channel 4 all the way down, then start messing with all your wires. Then when you're done, come back, turn channel 4 back up, and do everything in reverse when you're done.